the Libyan Desert, a place of scorching sun and endless dunes. The vast expanse of sand stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing yet harsh landscape. The Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, holds many secrets beneath its golden sands. It is here, in this unforgiving landscape, that a discovery of incredible magnitude has been made. The relentless heat and shifting sands have long concealed the mysteries of ancient civilizations. A team of archaeologists unearthed a series of remarkably well-preserved mummies. These mummies, hidden for millennia, have now come to light, offering a glimpse into a distant past. This find sent ripples of excitement through the global scientific community. The discovery was not just a local sensation, but a global phenomenon, capturing the imagination of researchers and history enthusiasts alike. It was a discovery poised to rewrite the story of our species. The mummies, with their intricate burial practices and well-preserved features, hinted at a sophisticated and advanced society. Initial observations hinted at the age of these mummies, suggesting they were from a time long before the rise of the great civilizations we know today. But nothing could have prepared the researchers for what was to come. The deeper they delved into their studies, the more astonishing the revelations became. Carbon dating revealed these individuals lived approximately 10,000 years ago. This was a time when the world was vastly different, and the Sahara was not the barren desert we see today. This period coincides with the Green Sahara, a time when North Africa flourished with life. Rivers, lakes, and lush vegetation covered the region, supporting a diverse array of wildlife and human settlements. This discovery was just the tip of the iceberg. As the excavation continued, more artifacts and remains were uncovered, each piece adding to the puzzle of this ancient society. The true significance of these mummies lay not just in their age, but in the wealth of information they carried within their very cells, but also in their DNA. The genetic material extracted from these mummies promised to unlock secrets that had been buried for thousands of years. Scientists at the Max Planck Institute in Germany conducted extensive genetic analyses on the remains. The results were astounding. The DNA sequences revealed connections and lineages that were previously unknown. These mummies carried within them a genetic lineage previously unknown to science. This lineage suggested a complex web of human migration and interaction that had not been fully understood. It was a lineage distinct from any other ancient human group discovered. This finding challenged existing theories about human evolution and migration. The discovery of these mummies and their unique DNA has opened up a Pandora's box of questions about our past. Each new piece of information raised more questions than answers, driving researchers to dig deeper into the mysteries of human history. What can these ancient remains tell us about the story of our species? The mummies, with their unique genetic makeup, offered clues to the movements and interactions of ancient human populations. How did this group interact with other humans of their time? The evidence suggested that these ancient people were part of a larger network of human societies, each influencing and interacting with the other. And what does this discovery mean for our understanding of human migration and evolution? The implications of this find were profound, potentially rewriting the narrative of how humans spread across the globe and evolved over millennia. The story of our species is far more intricate and interconnected than we ever imagined. The DNA analysis of the Libyan mummies revealed a genetic lineage that has intrigued scientists and historians alike. These ancient remains, preserved for thousands of years in the arid desert, hold secrets that are only now being uncovered through modern technology. This genetic lineage diverged from other known human populations earlier than previously thought, suggesting a complex web of human migration and interaction that challenges our current understanding. This discovery challenges the traditional narrative of human migration out of Africa. For decades, the prevailing theory has been that all modern humans can trace their ancestry back to a single exodus from Africa. However, the genetic data from these mummies suggests a different story. It suggests that human populations were more diverse and widespread than we once believed. These ancient Libyan people were not just isolated wanderers. They were part of a broader tapestry of human existence, interacting with and diverging from other groups in ways we are only beginning to understand. The distinct genetic markers found in these mummies point to a long period of isolation from other human groups. This isolation, likely due to geographical barriers and environmental conditions, allowed them to develop unique genetic characteristics that set them apart from other populations. This isolation allowed them to develop unique genetic characteristics. Over generations, these traits became more pronounced, providing a fascinating glimpse into the adaptability and resilience of human beings in diverse environments. It is a testament to the adaptability of our species. Humans have always been able to thrive in a variety of environments, from the lush forests of Africa to the harsh deserts of Libya. This adaptability is one of the key factors that has allowed our species to survive and flourish for millennia. Humans thrived in diverse environments throughout prehistory. Whether hunting in the savannas, gathering food in the forests, or surviving in the deserts, our ancestors demonstrated remarkable ingenuity and resilience. The team at the Max Planck Institute was particularly interested in a specific set of genes related to skin pigmentation. These genes can tell us a lot about how ancient humans adapted to their environments and how they might have looked. They found that these individuals possessed genes associated with both light and dark skin tones. This discovery is significant because it suggests that skin color was not a fixed trait, but rather a fluid characteristic that could change over time and across different populations. This suggests that skin color, a trait often used to differentiate human populations, may have been much more fluid in the past. The diversity in skin pigmentation among these ancient Libyans indicates a level of genetic variation that we are only beginning to appreciate. It further complicates our understanding of early human diversity. The more we learn about our ancestors, the more we realize that the story of human evolution is not a simple linear progression, but a complex web of interactions and adaptations. This discovery has implications far beyond simply adding a new branch to the human family tree. It forces us to reconsider how we define and categorize human populations, both in the past and in the present. It forces us to rethink our assumptions about the early peopling of the world. The traditional models of human migration and interaction are being challenged by new genetic evidence, leading to a more nuanced and complex understanding of our past. It suggests that the story of our species is far more complex and nuanced than previously thought. Each new discovery adds another layer to our understanding, revealing a rich tapestry of human history that is still being unraveled. To understand the significance of this discovery, we must travel back in time to the Green Sahara period, a time when the Sahara Desert was not the barren, inhospitable place we know today. This period, spanning from roughly 11,000 to 5,000 years ago, was a time of dramatic environmental change in North Africa. The climate was vastly different, transforming the region into a thriving ecosystem. During this time, the Sahara Desert, now a vast expanse of arid land, was a lush and fertile region. It was covered with grasslands, savannas, and forests teeming with life. Rivers and lakes crisscrossed the landscape, providing water sources that sustained both the flora and fauna. These water bodies were the lifeblood of the Green Sahara. They supported a diverse array of plant and animal life. From large mammals like elephants and giraffes to a variety of bird species, the Green Sahara was a vibrant habitat. The Sahara was a haven for human habitation. Early humans found the region to be an ideal place to settle, thanks to its abundant resources and favorable climate. It was during this period that the individuals discovered in the Libyan Desert lived and thrived. These ancient people adapted to their environment, developing ways to utilize the resources around them. Their mummified remains offer us a glimpse into this lost world. These mummies are not just remnants of the past, they are storytellers, revealing secrets of a time long gone. The Green Sahara provided ample resources for human populations. The fertile land allowed for the growth of various crops, while the rivers and lakes offered fish and other aquatic resources. It fostered the development of unique cultures and lifestyles. People engaged in various cultural practices, from art and music to rituals and ceremonies, reflecting their deep connection to the land. Archaeological evidence suggests that the people of the Green Sahara were skilled hunters and gatherers. They crafted tools and weapons from the materials available to them, showcasing their ingenuity and adaptability. They developed complex social structures and belief systems. These early societies had their own hierarchies, traditions, and spiritual beliefs, which were integral to their way of life. The mummies themselves provide tantalizing clues about their lives. The way they were preserved and the items they were buried with tell us about their daily activities, health, and even their diet. They were buried with artifacts that offer insight into their beliefs and practices. These artifacts include tools, pottery, jewelry, and other items that were significant in their culture. These artifacts, along with the mummies themselves, are a treasure trove of information. They help us understand the technological advancements and artistic expressions of these ancient people. They help us piece together the story of these ancient people. Through careful study and analysis, archaeologists are able to reconstruct the lives of those who once thrived in the Green Sahara, providing us with a window into a